Good afternoon. No. Good evening. Yes. We're in night mode here at the house. Today, just like yesterday and the day before, we have a cassette player to repair. This is Sony TCM48. Taken on a couple challenges in the past few days with repairs, so I'm hoping that this is good old-fashioned one that I have a lot of. You may be wondering, Sarah, why do you have so many broken cassette players? That's a valid question. The answer is that I spent a lot of time on the internet really late at night. And it may or may not have been a challenging emotional time, and I may or may not have gotten really into bulk cassette auctions. Thank you for asking. I probably shouldn't reveal my secret sauce, but if you too can have a manic episode. But I feel like the important part is the follow-up. Deal it with patience and determination. You too can. I don't know. Sorry, I hate this part. Nice. Okay, not very good. Now is it? Let's see if we can see if... Yeah, no spinning.
Oh yeah, don't worry.
What? Being reckless with your La Croix. Okay. Then I don't want to zoom out a little.
I don't think you paused it. No.
Is it fine? Fine. Okay. As I was previously mentioning, this is a Sony TCM48, okay? It has a recorder in it. And look, here's a piece of belt now. Look, there she is now. Just shriveled up and sprawling within the unit. I need needle nose. A girl's best friend. I was saying to somebody, yeah, check this out. Check this out. I was saying to somebody, wait, actually I should be looking at where this is pulling off of. Okay, let's take this board off. Dude, I can't finish any stories. My brain is fried. My friend Eric says that it's because I'm learning a lot, because I am learning a lot. I'm doing a lot of new vintage things. Don't you know?
Don't you know?
There was somebody from Minnesota there once. You know those like cut out sipping the LaCroix. I didn't like the noise that it made. Note to self. You gotta leave it in. That's what the people are there for.
Yeah, like the fun, casual moments.
The LaCroix noise. Okay, so people are just trying to chill. Let me pretend like I'm like FaceTiming the homies. Then I'm stripping this screw. That's the way it goes. If you're being cringe in your own head, you're gonna do cringe work. This is the way of the world. Why is it so hard? I need a big one. I need a hero. A hero. Believe in yourself. Wait. It's not looking good, King. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Actually hot as fuck in LA today though. Global warming, am I right? It was like 80. Did you go outside?
A little bit. Do you really think global warming is real?
Yes. Are you a global warming denier? You can remain anonymous if you are.
Oh, no.
I have a question for you.
No.
Women typically trust each other in the street.
Uh-huh.
Do men typically trust each other in the street?
I don't think we need to. Why would we need to trust each other? That's what I'm saying.
What do you mean, why would you need
You guys
to?
have to sometimes band together to protect yourselves. We don't have that. What?
I'm just angry. Wait. So no. Your answer is no.
I don't think so. I don't think we see the need.
You don't see the need to trust each other.
No. I don't think there's as much.
This is a fundamental problem stopping us from.
But my answer is real.
I know. Sorry, I'm not reacting to you. I'm reacting to the world.
Yeah.
And I'm reacting to the fact that I'm stripping the shit out of this screw. And at the end of the day, it's only me. I'm the only one here. Everything else is an illusion. Just kidding. You're here too, Diva. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. So what do you think?
About what?
So you don't have to trust each other, so you don't trust each other? What do you gain from not trusting each other?
I don't really trust each other. It's a weird setup kind of question. I don't know what you mean.
Yeah, I don't either. It was curious. I'm just curious. Okay, big hack. Use the rubber band if your screws strip. Pray for me, because it's not that good of a hack. Okay. Right. Oh, fuck. I've done worse ones before, but lube. This is just the lube that I have on hand. I don't.
Have you ever had breakfast in Taco Bell?
In Taco Bell? No. Have you?
No.
They just put eggs in the regular stuff that they have?
I guess so.
That sounds pretty good.
I got Minxie a gift.
You got Minxie a gift?
Yeah.
What did you get Minxie?
I can tell you yet. Until it gets here.
You didn't get it for Diva?
I just don't think people will like it.
This sucks. I want this to be over. I want this challenge to be over.
Sorry.
Thank you. Oh, wait. If pause is blue...
Have you not been recording?
Pause is now gray. Right now.
It's not paused right now, it's recording.
Oh, really? Well, then it wasn't recording for a while. It's okay. It was kind of boring, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, well, if you're just joining us, I'm cleaning out the goop from the... This is Minxie. This here is Minxie's butthole. She likes to put it in your face. That's how you know if she likes you. It's making me think about, like, learning how to teach yoga and first being cringe for a long time at teaching yoga. I could do ASMR. I could be like, oh, your cassette is so dirty. Wait. No. There's so much disintegrated belt goop in your cassette. Hold on, I'll get it out. Oh, right under here? Okay. Oh wow, that must have been really hard. I'm in ASMR mode.
No, we're pretty high on that.
Okay. How's this? Okay, I'm about to put on the next belt.
I got so much goop.
There's so much goop.
Ugh.
I feel like I'm one of those people where I used to like work out, and in that liking to work out, I still I liked to complain while I worked out. I've never not liked to complain.
About what you're doing.
Well, yeah. And that's my toxic trait. I feel like you have to, otherwise it's not fun. But okay, one belt on. It might be a little bit too tight, and now it's covered in black goop because I didn't do the most excellent job getting rid of all that goop. Two more Q-tips, and then a bigger belt. Guess and check. Guess and check. I'm at the end of my yoga class today. Normally I just do meditation anchor, like focus on something, like the ground, the feeling of your body on the ground, or your breath. Normally at the end of yoga class, that's the meditation that I cue, but it was kind of a smaller group today, and it was like sweet and cute, and I like all the people are like know each other too, which is sweet. So I was like, okay, you can ask yourself, let's see.
I feel like the theme so far
Yeah.
in all the repairs
Yeah.
is the bands are all not the right size.
You just have to find the right size one. Life's like a box of rubber bands. You never know what you're gonna get. I feel like you're right though. And then a little too loose, a little too tight, a little too loose. Okay, notice all the places where your body comes into contact with the ground. Isn't that the thrilling part? Like, is the band gonna be the right size? I was definitely dreaming about electronics last night. So the feeling of, oh, my little spring detached. The feeling of, shit. I think we're good. But then we added on, right? So started with a regular meditation anchors, breath, feeling of your body on the ground. Then we added on and got to what is, okay, now that you've been sitting with your breath or feeling of the body on the ground, added on what's alive. What's like alive in this moment? Like, are there any emotions present? Maybe even like trying to name them. I'm dirty. I'm dirty is an emotion. I'm tired is an emotion. I'm happy, excited is an emotion. I'm deady. Is a fact. And was alive and naming it. And that everything that comes up, trying to name it with like neutral emotion, like you're just naming it. Like it's not, you don't have to like wear it when you name it. You're just naming it. And then like, oh yeah, tired is here. Oh yeah, unsure is here. Oh yeah, annoyed is here. Oh yeah, just naming it. And that doesn't have to be separate from the current moment.
Just stuck on there.
Yeah. Ew. It's like an old belt. Yucky. Oh my god. Chaos. Yes, baby. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, let's test. That's sick. That shot is sick, dude, by the way. Emmy award for you. I really appreciate you. Thank you for helping me. Hold your breath.
Sort of the definition. Yeah. That's bouncy. Stand for the trap out for the.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Please hold.
What's the issue?
It's like warble crackling.
What does that mean?
Means that the playback is not flat, or maybe there. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to pretend like I'm putting in the last screw, because that's where the audio started lagging and cutting out. Okay. I'm bad at pretending.